Living in the screen generation, blue light radiation is becoming a major threat to the livelihood of people of all ages. People of all ages are getting increasingly connected and dependent on their digital devices, leading to an increased exposure to blue light radiation. Studies found that prolonged blue light exposure has a harmful impact on our eyes. Blue light penetrates deep into our eyes, causing damage that is hard to reverse. This damage can cause short-term and long-term vision effects that affect our livelihood. Introducing GUMMY VZIO, a fun-tritious, delicious gummy that supercharges your eyes to filter, protect, and rebuild against harmful blue light radiation from the inside out. Lutein and Zeaxanthin in GUMMY VZIO are naturally extracted from marigold flowers with a ratio formulation supported by the U.S. National Eye Institute as a recommended dietary ratio that benefits vision health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are important building blocks for the eyes to filter harmful UV rays and blue light. The powerful antioxidants also act as an inner shield that protects our cells from photo-induced oxidative stress and free radicals by neutralizing them. Studies also showed that the intake of lutein and zeaxanthin increases macular pigment density and rebuilds damaged cells. GUMMY VZIO is halal certified and internationally grade assured for good quality for the safety of your consumption. GUMMY VZIO is made free of preservatives, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, and sugar-free, with no artificial flavors or colors, and packed conveniently for you to easily pop into your mouth on the go. Make GUMMY VZIO part of your daily routine and chew your way to healthier eyes today. It's fun-tritious for your eye health.